Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to translate text using the iOS 18 translation API, as well as replace that translated text inside our UI as well. So here first I'll show you the output. Here I have some text inside in Hindi, and if I click on the translate button, here you can see I'm able to see this particular modal. I have already made a video on this, but in that video I was not showing this replace with the translation. Okay, here you can see that there is this replace with translation as well, and if I click on it, here you can see it has translated my text. If I again click on translate, it is asking me which language to pick. Again, choose whatever you feel like, because the original text was in Hindi language. So yeah, now there are few things which you have to keep in mind. This API is from iOS 18, and the second thing is it is Swift UI only. So I will show you how I am using in view controller, but it is I'm just embedding the Swift UI view inside view controller. So firstly, let's have a Swift UI code. So just create a Swift UI application, and here you can see I'm just using this show translation as false, and this is our original text which I'm using, so I'm just assigning it to our text variable. Here is our button to toggle that particular state, and here we are displaying the translation presentation. So here you can see I'm passing this particular variable called show translation. I'm passing the original text as well, and here we get the translated text. So once the user clicks on it, I just assign it to our original text. That's automatically assigns updates our text variable. Yeah, that's it. That's all you have to do. Now coming back to UIKit, I have created a UIKit application as well, but the approach is not really great. You will be disappointed. So here is, you can see this is a UIKit application. Just create a Swift file, and here you can see I'm just using the same code which I have shown you now, right? Swift UI view. Now if you go to the view controller, I will come to this commented code later on, but here you can see inside view did load. If I scroll down, I'm just initializing our Swift UI view, and with the use of UI hosting controller, I'm displaying our particular Swift UI view. So the output is same what I have shown you. Now some of you might be thinking, what if we show the UI label instead of the Swift UI text, and then just call that particular hide or show that particular modal which I shown you, right, for translation. Like, we can do that, but unfortunately I was facing lot of issues specifically related to the state of that particular translation modal. So here you can see I was creating a UI label, then on the click of the button I was hiding or showing this particular hosting control, but it causes lot of issues. Trust me, I wasted a lot of time on this. It's better to embed this particular Swift UI view inside your UIKit application, because this translation API, at least for now, is Swift UI specific only. Maybe in the future they might make it UIKit specific as well. But yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.